Hey there, how's it going? This is Easy Drawings, and today I'm going to go over how to draw a Kodama, or a Kodama. I don't know if you pronounce it like that, but it's the little tiny spirit creatures from Princess Mononoke. Yeah. It's really easy to draw. I'm going to go over it with you step by step. You can do it with a regular pen, and I'm going to show you that. And I really encourage you to follow along with me step by step, and super easy. You can be a beginner and learn and do it as well. So let's get started here. So this is a regular ballpoint pen, and I'm only doing it in this to kind of prove a point that you can do it in anything. So I'm going to draw a circle here. I'm going to draw a very light, super light on the page, and that is so I have my proportions down. I'm going to draw another little circle here. I'm not going to commit to it yet. Larger circle here on this side because they're a little bit uneven all the time. One of their eyes is always a little bit bigger than the other. Kind of that open, like, mouth. They all have that. Excuse me. And now I'm going to draw the body there. The body is basically a humanoid body, really simplistic. They don't tend to have hands. They do have like little nubs for hands, but they don't really have fingers, at least showing all the time. You know, if they did that. Little kind of round body. Think of the Pillsbury Doughboy. Pull down to the foot, pull up, and the feet are also flat to the ground. Nothing super special about that. Really, really simplistic. And right now I'm still drawing light. I'm sorry if you don't see it, but you know, like on the page that well, but I'm about to darken it. So right now I have everything. I have my proportions, I have the figure there, and it's all relatively simple. You don't, like I said, you don't have to know anatomy really, to be honest, for this. But so now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the pen, right? And this is a ballpoint pen, and I'm gonna slowly, and this is a good exercise for you if you haven't done it, I'm gonna slowly darken up the outer line of everything I just did. And if you have to, turn the paper. Like, think about the way your wrist and elbow move. Like, how do you have to move it? Don't fight. You don't need to fight in your hand. I see that a lot. Like this curve right here, I don't have to do it like this. I could if I want, but for me, the easier thing would be literally to grab the paper and just turn it. And why fight my you know, anatomy? Why not? Why fight that? Going over here. Try to make it as even as you can. It'll actually really, really raise your dexterity and raise your control if you're to do this a lot. Like, go over lines over again and try to make them as even as you can. Even as you can. It will raise your dexterity tremendously. Excuse me. Over here, that circle. I'm gonna fill that in. Not horrendously dark, just dark enough. I don't want... I mean, the paper is going to be imprinted no matter what, but I don't want to imprint too hard. To the point where, you know, it screws up the next page, but it probably will. Alright. Fill in that eye. Go into this eye socket, or... It's weird because they're so cute, you know? You think they'd be spooky, but, I mean, I don't know if they were trying to go for spooky, but I thought they were really cute looking. Again, filling it in. There's no rhyme or reason to the fill in. Just do it any which way that feels natural to you. Just try to make sure it reads as a solid, you know, value as much as you can. And now we're gonna go down to the body. Same thing, just thickening and darkening everything I put down previously. What's your guys' favorite Miyazaki movie? My favorite is most likely Spirited Away or Princess Mononoke. I love both of those movies so much. And that's pretty much it. You can do some repairs around, you know, just kind of slowly going in and messing with edges. But that's really up to you. I hope that you had a really good time, and I really hope that this was informative to you. If you liked it, please hit that like button and share the video. Come back. I'm going to be posting at least 3 times a week on this channel, probably Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I haven't fully decided yet. Probably going to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday, though. And that's it. Also, if you haven't, get that ebook. It's a free ebook on how to shade. So get that ebook. I'm going to put that in the description below. You can copy and paste it from there into your browser, and you'll get it. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you soon.